welcome guys to my mom's channel. We're doing a Christmas edition makeup tutorial. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I let my daughter do an intro on top of my intro, and I'm doing a Christmas look. So I started off with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, the mattifying one, and now I'm taking my P. Louise bases as I normally do, and I'm just gonna use a fluffy blending brush and apply the mixture all over my lid to prep for my eyeshadow. Okay, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take this red color from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm just taking a really fluffy blending brush and packing that on my eyelid and then diffusing it. And when you're doing this step, just make sure you take your time and, kind of get everything where you want it laid down first, and then slowly blend it out and blow out the edges. That way it's not messy and it's not patchy. Also, even though I fast forwarded it, I like to keep the whole clip of me blending my eyeshadow in so you guys can see how long it takes. Now, after I got done blending the red out, I went in with a neutral brown eyeshadow from the same palette on a fluffier blending brush and just blew out the edges and blended them out a little bit more. And now I'm just taking my Kiss Eyelash Glue, and it dries clear, putting a little bit on my eyelid and taking just some regular glitter from Walmart, some red glitter, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid, and you can see it. Yes, girl, Christmas. And now I'm starting on my face, and for my face, you guys know I like to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in my Juvia's Place foundation, and I mix the two and just, use my little LA Colors sponge and blend out my foundation. And also, like I've said before, I like for my foundation to be darker to match my neck and my body instead of being lighter and matching my actual face, because my face is lighter than my body. Also, when you're applying foundation, make sure you get down your neck and your ears too if you are showing them. For my concealer, I'm going in with my go-to, my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. And I'm just putting a combination of both of those two on. And then I'm going to use the other end of my Beauty Blender to blend under my eyes. And I'm going to use the butt of my sponge to blend out my chin and my forehead, because it already has foundation, so I feel like it gives it a more seamless blend. Oh, and another thing is you guys don't have to apply your concealer where I apply mine at. That's just the way I'm used to doing it. If you don't want your, top lip highlighted or your chin or your forehead, you don't have to apply concealer in those areas. I'm just used to doing my makeup like that. Also, I don't think I've ever mentioned this before, but my sponge is always damp. I never use my sponge if it's dry. Never. And now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to set the areas that I've already applied my concealer to. And yep, I just tap off the excess in the top. That way it's not so cakey and bright when I put it on. And you guys already know if you've watched my other videos, and I'm now going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep And I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to set the rest of my face with it. And that way, whenever I go ahead and contour my face, it just blends out way smoother. So here I am with my Juvia's Place bronzing palette in deep dark, and I'm just going to use it to contour my face. And also I kind of do use it to bronze because I realize it does bring the color back to my face after using my concealers and stuff. But yeah, this is what I use to contour my face. And I just take this around the perimeter of my face. So I do my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jaw, and also my nose. And yep. Now I'm taking a more tapered blending brush and I'm going in with that same bronzing palette and I'm just contouring my nose. And if you've watched my other videos, you guys already know I love to use eyeshadow for blush. So I'm just mixing these two colors from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette on a really fluffy brush. And I'm going to tap off the excess and just apply it to my cheeks. Okay, this is a mascara that I haven't used in a while, but it was definitely my go-to for months. But it's the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I love this mascara. It's so black. I actually need a new one, but yeah, this is also a really good mascara for you if you're looking for one. And now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Gel Eyeliner, and I'm just taking a really small little, looks like almost like a paintbrush, and I'm just gonna do a wing. And I'm going all the way into my inner corner and trying to keep the wing not overly dramatic. I didn't want a really big wing for this look because I wanted the focus to be on the glitter. And like I said, because I wanted the focus to mainly be on the glitter, when I applied false eyelashes, I have a pair of eyelashes that I just, cut in half and just put the ends on the outer corner of my eye to kind of give it like a little cat eye look, y'all know. And for my brows, y'all already know I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution brow kit. And I'm just taking the angled brush with a spoolie on the other end, and I'm going to fill my brows in. And I mix the pomade and the powder to fill in my brows because I don't know, it makes it a little bit darker, and I like for my brows to look dark because my hair is pretty dark. Y'all should be so proud of me. I didn't forget my lower lid this time. So I'm going back in with that red color, and I'm going to take it on my bottom lid, and I'm going to drag it down a little bit. And I also went in with the same neutral brown color that I used to blend out my eyeshadow on my upper lid, and I blended out the red at the bottom. And you see me here going on my gel liner in that same brush, and I'm just lining my waterline with it. And then taking some of my black eyeshadow to smudge it down a little bit, just to give it more of a smoky look. Now I'm just applying some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to my lips, which I cut out a lot of part of this because in the beginning I messed up a little bit and I had to fix it. But I'm going in with a brown lip liner like I normally do and just lining my lips. Y'all, I keep forgetting I have this palette and I keep sleeping on it, but this is the Anastasia Lip Palette, and I'm just taking that orangish color and one of the little nude colors, and I'm mixing them on the little palette. and applying that all over my lips. And I blend the color into my lip liner also. That way it's kind of like an ombre effect. And guys, my birthday is coming up. It's January 2nd, and I plan on creating a look for my birthday, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So I hope when I upload that video that you guys enjoy it, because I'm so excited for it. And now I'm taking this e.l.f. gloss, which is kind of like a brown, and it has like pink and gold shimmers in it. And I'm just applying that on top, and I love the way this lip came out. At first I didn't know if I liked the colors, but I ended up loving it. And I'm taking this e.l.f. spray. I just saw this the other day and I decided to pick it up, and I like it because it sprays like a really fine mist, and it has a little ball to kind of help shake it up, and it smells so good. So I applied that mixed with the Anastasia dewy setting spray, and I loved it, y'all. Here, I'm taking some of that translucent powder, and I'm just carving out under my contour, which you don't have to do it. I would just like to do it sometimes to make everything look a little bit more sharp. I know I just cut to me blending it out and dusting it off, so it seems like I probably didn't let it sit that long, but I actually had a phone call with my mom, so it probably sit for about 5 or 10 minutes before I dusted it off. And now I'm going in with this Catrice highlighter mixed with the Laura Mercier highlighter, which is kind of a pinkish color, and the Catrice one is more of a gold highlighter. So I like the mix of two because I just felt like it went so well with the red and the nudes. I don't know, I just thought it was really nice. See, look at that highlighter, y'all. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But yeah, guys, that is the final look. I went ahead and took my little headband out so I can have my little curls down. But yes, I love this look. It's such a cute little Christmas look. If you like the glitter, if you don't like the glitter, you know, try it without it. Glitter's not for everybody. I understand. I don't care for it that much. But I thought it was really nice for this look. And, you know, I hope you guys check out some more of my videos, and I will be posting another one soon. Bye, guys.